Alpine A110's aluminum platform and body are bonded, riveted and welded to provide an exceptionally rigid yet light structure. The Alpine A110 is ultra-light at only 1,080 kg Kerb weight, excluding options. Its compact size, 4,178 mm long, 1,798 mm wide and 1,252 mm high, optimal weight distribution, 44% front/56% rear, and low center of gravity are all dedicated to agility, especially on the type of winding mountain road that made Alpine's reputation back in the 1960s and 70s. Alpine's mass is also concentrated around the center of the car, with the fuel tank behind the front axle and the engine in front of the rear axle, enabling the driver to feel at one with the car. Excellent power-to-weight ratio. The Alpine A110 is equipped with a new 1.8-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine developed by the Renault-Nissan Alliance. Alpine's engineers, together with Renault Sport, have customized this engine for Alpine, with specific air intake, turbocharger, exhaust system and engine tune. The engine has a maximum power output of 252 horsepower and maximum torque of 320 Nm. Combined with the low Kerb weight of only 1,080 kg, the A110's excellent power-to-weight ratio of 233 horsepower/ton enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in only 4.5 seconds.